Portugal, November 13th, 2025.
Olhem, eu nem sei o que dizer. Eu estou perdida em Fernão Ferro. Agora cheguei aqui e existem carros nesta condição.
Isto está tudo fodido. Como é que um gajo vai para o trabalho?
This Thursday morning, a major storm and flash floods hit many areas, that around 13,000 customers are without power due to bad weather, with Lisbon, Santarém and Setúbal being the most affected areas. The Montijo and Fernão Ferro areas were the hardest hit by the extreme weather. The latter district, which is under red alert due to precipitation from the Portuguese Institute of the Sea and the Atmosphere, accounts for almost half of the cases, 8,000 customers without electricity, an official source from e-Reads told Expresso. The Portuguese Institute for the Sea and the Atmosphere IPMA has issued a new red warning for the district of Santarém, which joins the one for Setúbal, and will be in effect until 10 a.m. today due to rain. In the districts of Viseu, Porto, Guarda, Viana do Castelo, Lisbon, Leiria, Castelo Branco, Aveiro, Coimbra and Braga, the orange warning is in effect until 9 a.m., due to sometimes heavy and persistent rainfall. For Aveiro, Beja and Portugal, the warning remains in effect until 12 p.m. Ferro will be under an orange warning until 3 p.m., for the same reasons. Between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. on Thursday, the Algarve district will again be under an orange warning, but due to rough seas with southwest waves expected to reach between 4 and 5.5 meters, especially in the western Algarve. For safety reasons, the Montijo City Council announced the closure, during the morning of this Thursday, of the Montijo School Group, the Poto Joaquim Serra School Group, the Montijo Professional School, and the Montijo Regional Conservatory of Arts. Authorities are urging the public to avoid unnecessary travel and to exercise extra caution in the most vulnerable areas. Exercise maximum caution when moving around. Stay safe, follow the instructions of the authorities, do not risk crossing flooded areas, and avoid leaving home unless it is urgent, the municipality's statement emphasizes. A tree fell on 2 cars early this morning on Rua Nova do Calharis in Lisbon. The alert was given at 4:50 a.m., according to the Lisbon Fire Brigade.